Bia kamal normal ka jan gwas me bana racha ka kwi wut ka misha yen bana do bana yan ka ja ka bana ja ngaja no jen ngu yan ka ja raja ban la de raj misha lat check de ano chalas ka media ni so Sudan an mulat kono gwasa me kwi shek mi kuumɛ jio kala kuumɛ so Sudan chega jogo no lonya chawda ala chawda ran SPLM IO members ka SPLM IO ke ramkel gani de continue pin Dr. Riek Machar ano bana jeling ngum yan ka ja ke ngum chora lat bu kon len gwasa me akan kono niam tay ler kan ma gore je en wo jin mi jira ma jedit ka Nuer online TV channel gore je en wo jin deri je nyak ne ko ken ko de ler titi de kan kula mala chu gwasna ten gor kon ken wo de ko ten ku subscribe ka ku notification bell ko je twany ko bilar TV kan cha ko je and breaking news about lingwasa me chala do ci check che kuma South Sudan che je cholo no lonya chawda men cha yen an chawda aramkel ke SPLM IO jen awa cha je yen ke cha je detain and roba dana yen ke je jen awa cha ngot che je tul ngon me cha yor pin a kwar ne selpa ke ma yadit re which ka western bargazal jen raja dan ambana lingwasa me ka doba dan en yen ke je ko jen cha do ke checkpoint me cha gak a kwar ne kirma yadit wajen ce jetol caje chu yen ka jen dweramo yan je ko jen ce duop ke checkpoint te cha gak kuma so Sudan ce katol ngum tolaka no wude me shale Marco Peter Achor no jen Marco Peter Achor jen wa a state security advisor jen wa a state security advisor kenite kon ngangre wijin winami ajira ramadan en lep men lep duop ka jen state security for advisor ka kuumɛ SPLM IO ki SPLM IO ano jen cha yen re wujin widmi ka o cha checkpoint cha jela baje gorono baje kwenye ka tok English ke do badana cha gore. On Thursday, Marco Peter Achor, the state security advisor, was reportedly detained following clash between joint security forces and SPLA IO force in Kwanya, also known as covering up. Alajan chena yidin tongami kam SPLM IO kana security force la kuumɛ South Sudan People Defense Force. Michelle ngono shi SPLM IO chiki yet kanede yena ken ke kuumɛ kier. The wife of the Western Bargazal State Security Advisor has called on the authorities to release her husband, who was reportedly arrested by security agent on Thursday for allegedly issuing an illegal order to reopen a checkpoint. Yan ka je ko jen che checkpoint che jelep. Jen rob dan jan je tando den yan ka jen. On Thursday, Marco Peter Achor, the state security advisor, was reportedly detained following clash between joint security force and SPLM IO force in Kwanya, also known as covering up. Mr. Marco is a member of the opposition SPLM IO led by First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. Speaking on this topic, what happened there, Akur Nicola, the wife of Marco Peter Achor, explained that her husband was arrested in Wau on Thursday after leaving for his office that morning. My husband left home on Thursday morning, and it did not return that day. Later, his brother called to ask why his phone was not going through. When I inquired, he said he had tried calling but was unable to reach him, she explained. She continued, following day, I was informed that my husband had been arrested and taken to Juba on Thursday, February 6. I still have not been able to contact him, as his phone remained unreachable. Akur has appealed to the government and human rights organizations to intervene and ensure that her husband either face court proceeding or is released. I am calling on the government and civil society to ensure Marco release. He was appointed by the president, and if he has committed a crime, he should be brought before a court, she said. Call to government officials in Western Bargazal state went unanswered. The arrest of security advisor Marco come amid rising tension between the South Sudanese army and the opposition SPLM IO in the state over removal of illegal checkpoint. And Robert Yan Kaja, Misha Yen and Kaka Korich SPLM IO can South Sudan People Defense Force you Korkulo Ter, a wajan a wajan checkpoint Chajawood. kie chaje reopen ngai kono no checkpoint kene no korme shanga kam SPLM IO kene kuumɛ South Sudan People Defense Force eneme agenda na lero rentame na tishno nene ongu mi nok SPLM IO jeno biken checkpoint biken kalebo do bedien ka ngu mi kuumɛ South Sudan biken de nya jak tibu nyen ke kuumɛ SPLM IO ka ku checkpoint mi tek tagalong men gor ke lung me shala do de men shala unified force akan de jakamo biken do banan en ganga ko checkpoint gwad dana be torbiyela be kede ko sha gor no torbil ba barej bang la ja gor ke no torbil ba ja ga duno ko ba ja control mete ka mi jel keje duno shi kuumɛ kirma yadi jikane blogo ne kan tele checkpoint te ba tol biga wona kan ba namo ala gota ko nante SPLM IO tin la kan ka ga kan checkpoint ken despite o sha order sha jungun yal tonga mi akwen kirma yadi sika na nok lakan dunia kana gek iyo ba SPLM kuumɛ kirma yadi ba chu jak bore wujin yune mi gwada ante SPLM IO ten bukan chu guru no joy kan ji SPLM IO la kola chu atoko anyong man do den ande bel dera ngum shikara ke dakre ma chatting geje ala dakre ma chatting nyira mandana de order kula kamne ken go checkpoint ni chwa kaga ko de kan order link ka kirma yadi mi shikan mer keje ko kan tik pin dakre ma char de kan yingling na manana chala dakre ma char dakre ma char ka kujimo nguda te karek mudten ko mi bi kuumɛ men de pin kirma yadi bikan kuumɛ do den bikan wi anyo ko mi kep kana ka bom na me che chong mi keje ko ken ke bon to goal shi bon ma dia jen be bon mi be jo threaten ke be jo kep ko bom no jin shi ponyo ma woje kwa dangro tinyal kirma yadi ken dakre ma char mi ken chema do de kan shwa jong ne ken no gole yen checkpoint ni dakake woje roten namada chwa gwa shi kan delel wanyi dungdo dia je tega mi pin makana ngaje gwa ngu mi shi kuumɛ SPLM IO shi ka raj ke dakre ma char ka jamo ke ngu mi shi kirma yadi shi ka link na dakre ma char ka je alan ne ka wi ajugo no wi a kor wi nyenya ke SPLM IO na me agenda na lero de wude me jen wude dana sha yen batchana ngre wich ka juba ko jen she checkpoint ni she kalep ti sha gak kirma yadi ka jen ched pin self care ma yadi taping Dr. Yang ma chatting ngum bu to ka je na me ngure question mark ki tech me kan ne lojen tama an biya te mal bye bye